In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split payments on Airbnb using a step-by-step guide. Whether you're planning a vacation with friends or organizing a family getaway, managing payments can sometimes be a bit tricky, especially if you're the one tasked with handling the reservations. While Airbnb does not currently allow guests to split a single booking charge between multiple credit cards or accounts directly through their platform, there's still an effective way to share the cost. Let's dive into the process. The method we're discussing today involves one person, often the main organizer, paying the full cost upfront and then settling up with the rest of the group outside of the Airbnb platform. Now, before we proceed, let's touch on a few important aspects. This approach relies on trust, so make sure everyone is committed to reimbursing the organizer. Having everyone on the same page financially is crucial to avoid any misunderstandings later on. First, head over to Airbnb's website to find and book your dream accommodation. This is an exciting step as you'll browse through various vacation rentals, cabins, beach houses, and more, deciding which fits your needs. Once you've made your choice, proceed with the booking. Here, one person, the main organizer, will handle the reservation process and ultimately the payment. Now, in some cases, Airbnb may offer an option at checkout to pay a portion of the total now and the rest later. This option is called Pay Part Now, Part Later. If this is available for your booking, it might provide some financial relief initially, allowing you to manage cash flow better. To ensure everyone contributes their fair share, it's essential to keep things transparent and simple. Start by dividing the total cost by the number of guests. This gives you a clear picture of how much each person owes the organizer. Using this equal split method is straightforward and minimizes any potential disputes. After calculating the individual amounts, communicate these figures to your group. Sharing the payment details and deadlines via a group chat or email can help keep everyone accountable. It's also a good idea to set a deadline for when payments should be collected. Remember, effective communication is key here. In conclusion, while Airbnb doesn't currently offer a direct split payment option, following these steps makes it manageable. By having one person pay the full amount and then coordinating reimbursements from the rest of the group, you can enjoy your trip without the stress of financial mishaps. Keep in mind the importance of trust and communication to ensure a smooth process. Thanks for watching, and happy travels.